I'm heading out, Master. You go out and start digging into it. How can this be done? Let it out. Ouch! What is this situation? What are you trying to do? Can this door be opened? Please tell me what you're trying to do. I saw 2 buttons.
All right, press it, lift it up, and pull it back. That's right, this won't open it. Yes, no, what are you doing? I'm heading out, Master. You go out and start digging into it.